Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find and manage the Find My Phone settings on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and then go to security and privacy, and over here we have lost device protection. If you go over here, then you have three options. The first one is allow this phone to be found, and you can simply enable and disable this option. However, you will need to verify that this is actually you by using the Samsung account. In addition to that, we can also enable the option to send the last location of the device, and we can also enable and disable the offline finding. If you turn on or try to turn it on, then you will find the information about this option, and you can also see what will be collected and processed according to the Find My Mobile privacy notice. So it will be location data, device IDs, and key to encrypt your device's offline location data. So you can turn it on. And in addition to that, if you turn it on, you can also go to this option in order to even encrypt the offline location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.